Welcome back to another glimpse of a night in my life. So around 6:30 p.m, we decided to go to Shopwise para mag-grocery. Lately, ang favorite naming grocery store is really itong Shopwise. Ang laki kasi ng place na to, tapos parang kompleto naman lahat ng kailangan namin dito. Not just our needs, pero pati na rin yung wants. And I think medyo mas marami lang yung imported goods dito. So there, we just got a few things. Actually, hindi naman ito yung monthly grocery talaga namin. Sadyang nagkataon lang na nag-monthly grocery yung uncle ko, so sumabay na rin kami ng wants lang namin. And also a few things and ingredients na kailangan namin for this week. Since yung mom ko nakakapanood ng mga recipes online na gusto niyang i-try and lutuin. Especially mahilig siya magluto as Kapampangan. And ako naman yung tuwang-tuwa tuwing nagluluto siya. New recipe man yan or hindi. So anyways, I think 1 hour or 2 hours yata kaming nandito sa Shopwise. Kasi nga ang laki, ang dami mong malilibot at makikita. At mabibili, oh my gosh. Then after namin mag-Shopwise, nag-aya yung cousins ng mom ko, which is my aunties, na mag-food trip sa McDonald's and then to Mambay somewhere. Since I think matagal-tagal din yung last bonding nila. So pagtapos namin kumain, dumiretso lang kami dito sa White Plains dahil may spot dito na overlooking. Kaso sad lang na hindi pwede dun sa grass. So nandito kami sa sidewalk, naglatag lang kami ng tela dyan. We bought some chips and coffee, then nagchikahan, and that's it. Good night!